Oh, I've never been to this part of the ocean before. Huh? Oh no! Ah, it's a whirlpool! Whoa! I gotta get back to the sea. Bite me. Me too. Please. Ew. Huh? He's turning them all into beautiful vampires. That's my dream. Hey. What a loser. How embarrassing.
Watch this. You'll never be like us.
You guys are so mean. Why do they hate me? Why am I so ugly? Huh? What is that? Huh? A checklist to become a vampire? I need pale skin. But how? Huh. Maybe these seashells I got from the seashore can help me. I'll put all of them in this bowl. Then crush them all up until they turn into powder. That should be enough. It's perfect. Whoops. Huh? I'm pale. Wow. Now let's put some color back on my face. None of those lame mermaid colors, please. Oh, how about some red? Huh? Maybe some black too? Thank you. Huh? Now let's get to painting. I'll take a little bit of red and draw some squiggly lines under my eyes. Next, I'll dip it into some black paint and paint it on my eyelids and my brows. Finally, add some gems to make it three-dimensional. Huh? Wow! Looking fierce. But my lips are still pale. There must be something I could use. No! Surely there's a lipstick in here somewhere. Huh? How did that get in there? Nope. Paper? No. This? No. Aw, a doll. Not today. What a bummer. Huh?
Hey, over here!
What?
Hands up!
Oh, is that for me? That's my lips. And voila! We've got a bloody red lip. What's more vampiric than that? Oh my god! Huh? Maybe there's hope for my hair. They say aloe vera does wonders, even for electrified hair. I'll extract the juice out of this plant and brush it all over my hair. I'll go over it a couple of times until I brush out the tangles. Then I'll take some hair from the front and tie it at the back. That's what I call a killer hairstyle. Huh? How did you get in here? Huh? What the? Huh? Let go of me! Oh, slay! You look better on my head. I look like a vampire princess. Oh, wow! But I'm still missing some fangs. Oh, Mr. Beast, how can I be more like you? Stinky! I've got a simple solution to that. 2 chewing gums will do the trick. I look silly.
Hey there!
Hi, SpongeBob.
Is that your teeth?
You have it too. Hey, watch this. It's gum. Wait a sec. I've got fangs now. Oh. This vampire life is fun. Oh, before we continue with the makeover, make sure you subscribe and like the video while you're at it.
Shiver me timbers, the treasure chest!
Time to go shopping. Retail therapy never hurt anybody. No! That looks lame. Where am I gonna get new clothes? Ouch! Oh! there's the chest from earlier. What treasures do they have in here? Wow! Jackpot! It is just like the one in my dream. Or should I say, it's my dream outfit? Oh, Oh, beautiful! But it's missing something. A bloody red necklace. Oh, I ate with this one. Let me put on some gloves. Don't want to get my hands dirty. I'll pull it over my left arm. And the right. Now I'm ready. I look terrifying. Oh no! My scales are all the wrong color. Good thing I can change it with a swipe of my hand. Perfect. Every detail of this outfit is simply amazing. Bow down, vampires. Your new queen has arrived, and she's thirsty for blood. Let's go!
And then I bit him.
Who is she? Huh? Oh, me? I'm new in town. Rawr.
Whoa.
Anyone want to show me around?
Wow! Let's take a selfie! We can't hang out.
Hey, girls? What? What?
Another one? Where did you get your hair done?
Hey,
Hi.
look.
Is that picture of me?
Ow.
Come, I'll teach you my ways.
What just happened? Oh, wait!
This is so exciting! Yep, we'll be inside in a second.
Next, let's see your invitations.
Here it is!
You can go.
Wow!
So magical.
Wow! There they go! I can't wait for my turn.
Hi!
Don't worry, I have my invitation as well.
Ms., it's a mermaid party, and you're not a mermaid.
Oh.
I feel bad for her. Hey, wait!
Huh?
Maybe this might help.
Okay. I don't understand how a card is supposed to help. I have major FOMO. I really wanted to go. What is happening? Whoa. Should I be scared?
Yoo-hoo! I'm here!
Wow. Are you my fairy godmother? I mean, mermaid godmother?
Yeah. I'm here to help. Ah! Ah! Why are we screaming? Much better.
I need a mermaid makeover to go to this party.
Oh dear. I'm the right person for the job. My makeover kit has everything we'll need.
Wow.
Ta-da!
So cool. Where do we begin? Let's check this one out.
Wow.
So, what do I do?
First, we play. My turn.
Here's my move.
Who's gonna win?
Me.
Bravo!
Thanks.
Here are your rewards.
I can't believe it.
Okay, now, I think we should begin with this.
Huh?
Trust me, you're gonna love it.
I'm not so sure about that. You were right.
This is what sheet masks are for. And those chapped lips desperately need some moisture. Now we wait. Time's up!
Loved the mango flavor.
Voila! Perfect skin.
Wow. Thank you so much. Aw,
You got… Hang on. This situation required more than just a toothpick. My little helpers are ready for some cleaning action. I promise this toothpaste won't taste fishy. Come on, brushy brush.
And
Wow, I need sunglasses. Let's continue. We shouldn't waste any time.
I pick this one. What does it do? So enchanting. Okay, a glass?
That's right. You need to find the best hairstyle.
I better get to work. It's like a flashlight. Uh-oh.
So? What's so funny? Ah, change it back.
I don't know how.
Gimme, I'll do it. Not this. Maybe? Nope. I'm scared of clowns. Back to the fishy. The crab. Aha! This is it.
Wow, so pretty.
Something's missing. I know. Your crown. I feel like a queen. Look, time's up.
We did it! We win this round too.
I think it's time for the makeup. You know what to do.
I pick this one. This is exciting! And the new game is there.
Easy. Come on, chop chop. You gotta win.
I hope I can do it before the countdown ends. Why is this so confusing? Oh no, I have very little time left.
Quick, get back to work.
Come on. Ugh, so stressful.
Maybe I can stop the time.
Aha! I figured it out. There! I did it!
Phew.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. This was tough.
I wonder what our reward will be. Let's see. Wow. But this one's weird. What am I supposed to do with it?
Stop! You're gonna tear it. It goes on your face.
Are you sure? This feels wrong.
I know what I'm doing. Trust the process and leave it to the pros, aka me. It's done! I used my favorite colors.
Wow. These are the mermaid colors indeed.
Maybe a bright smoky eye? Yes! This was a good move. Pay attention. I'm teaching you the best eyeliner hack. Looking sharp. This is the definition of a piercing look. Some lip gloss with crushed pearls for shiny lips.
I love my new look.
Not to brag, but I did a great job. Oh no, not on my watch. You need a party manicure.
But I don't know how to do that.
Honey, this is what the magic box is for.
Oh, you're right. Let's see what challenge I have to complete to get the best mermaid nails.
You got this. Just make sure to finish it before the countdown.
Honestly, I'm having so much fun doing this. It looks beautiful.
Huh. I wonder who's calling me. Hello? Oh, it's you.
One more color drop. This is mesmerizing, hypnotizing.
Mwah. Talk soon. Huh. Uh-oh. Snap out of it.
Huh? What? Where?
The challenge. Remember?
Oh no, I failed.
Dear, let's just continue, okay?
Sure. Let's go with the white one. Wow, I'll never get tired of this. I need to win this round.
Don't forget about the time, okay?
Yep, let's do it. I'll create the best mermaid tail. Love the pink and gray color palette here. And done.
Wait, no!
Take a look. Huh? No!
Oh boy, you forgot to glue them?
Yep, guilty as charged. I still have some time left. I'll be fast. Oh no, I can't find the last piece. What do I do?
I can't see it anywhere. Here, take one of mine.
Uh-huh, you're the best. I'll be forever grateful for this. Done.
Yay! Good job! Look at your awards.
Where are they? Huh, I have a tail. I'm a real mermaid now. Thank you. I owe this to you.
Don't thank me yet. One last thing to do. Come on, open it.
What is this?
Have fun!
Wow, I'm writing in style. Princess style. I'm ready to take the spotlight. So glad I made it. Hello, sir? Remember me?
Oh my! Wow! I still need to see your invitation though.
Of course. Here it is.
One more mermaid check. Yep, all good. Have fun.
Whoa! I will! Thanks! Let's swim to the castle. This whole place looks amazing!